Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for whatever you want to capture, then you can hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. And once you do, it gives you this pop-up with scrollable and share options, and it does disappear after a moment. Once it does so, you can find the actual screenshot in your gallery application. So let me just close that. And you should be able to find it under albums, screenshots, and I think this is the one. Yep. And as you can see, it's right over here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.